Watch me hide, Connor.
Better. I'm gonna go upstairs and get you some clothes. Stand up. Come on.
Kaden, don't kick him.
Poor baby. He's not a baby.
No, he's a big boy. Are you getting it for Mr. Connor? Did they leave you there on the floor? And they took your toy? Be gentle.
That's a baby toy. Baby toy. Baby toy.
Parker started it.
Can you come park it? No, we're not bashing anything up here. Please come park it. Come here. No, stop bashing. Come on, come on. Stop losing your mind, please.
Honey, he's using you to... Parker, he's using you to try to stand up, baby. He's not trying to hurt you. He's trying to stand up. He's trying to stand up. That's all. See, those little legs just won't let him up. There you go, Connor. Good job.
Go get that magnet piece out of Connor's hand and bring it to him. Quickly. Quickly. Take it out.
Gently, gently.
I don't care. Take it.
I didn't want him to fall over.
Okay, come here. Come on. Come back.
Are you tapping Caden's
Come back.
tushy?
No, bring it to mommy. Bring it to mommy.
What does it go to the crane?
Yeah. Go to a book. It's like the magnet. Dizzy.
Oh, I thought it was the... Doesn't the crane have a magnet thing that...
Yeah. But Caden's been bad about...
Watch Connor's fingers in that drawer, Parker, okay? Just leave the drawer open.
Caden,
No. Leave the drawer open, Parker.
breath, Caden. Deep breath. Stop it. Roll back over. Caden. Then let's go to your room and shop. Then sit on your tushy. What is your problem? Stop. Okay, so stop moving so I can change your shirt.
Oops. Parker. No, you don't take anything from the baby. No, don't close it. He's there.
Don't close that drawer on your brother. Do you understand?
Do not.
Do not close that drawer. Look at your brother. He's gonna.
Does it have decorations?